Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of signing out of your Apple ID on an iPhone. Whether you're preparing to sell your device, troubleshooting an issue, or just want to switch accounts, knowing how to properly sign out is essential. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can do it quickly and securely, while also giving you the option to keep certain data on your device. We'll be using the Settings app to navigate through the process, and I'll highlight each step to make it as clear as possible. So, let's get started with this straightforward tutorial to help you sign out of your Apple ID without any hassle. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone, and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and tap on the Sign Out option. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to proceed. After entering your password, tap Turn Off to disable Find My iPhone, which is a necessary step before signing out. Once Find My iPhone is turned off, you'll have the option to choose what data you want to keep a copy of on your iPhone. You can toggle on options like calendars, contacts, health, keychain, and stocks to retain this information on your device. After selecting the data you want to keep, tap Sign Out again. You'll be asked to confirm by tapping Sign Out one more time. Your iPhone will then copy the selected iCloud data to the device, and you'll be successfully signed out of your Apple ID. That's it. You've now learned how to sign out of your Apple ID on an iPhone. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.